Let me ask you a question. If I say SOP for cleaning machine and cleaning log of yesterday are both documents, most people casually say yes, right?
Exactly, but auditors often disagree. Today we're clearing up this confusion, document versus record, in the simplest way ever. This is super important when understanding ISO standards like 9001, 22000, 14001, and 45001, where you'll always hear maintain documented information.
So, documented information includes two different things, documents and records. They're related, but definitely not the same. Think of it this way. In these standards, a document tells you what to do.
Right. It's instruction, a rule, or guidance, like a recipe. The SOP is like a recipe for cleaning that machine, whereas a record proves what was done. It's evidence, like a photo of what already happened. The cleaning log documents that machine has been cleaned, and on what date.
So, a document tells you what to do. Think of it as a recipe, guiding you through the steps.
Exactly. And like any good recipe, a document provides instruction, rules, or general guidance.
Examples include SOPs, or standard operating procedures, or constructions, and even company policies. These lay out the plan.
Don't forget process flowcharts and crucial documents like HACCP plans for food safety or a quality manual that outlines the entire system.
The key thing to remember is documents are meant to be updated. Imagine never improving a recipe.
That's right. They're revised as the process changes and always controlled with a version number, ensuring everyone is on the same page with the latest instructions. After all, clarity is key.
Okay, so a record proves what was done. Think of it as evidence, a snapshot of the past.
Like a photograph.
Exactly, a photo showing what already happened.
Give me some examples.
Temperature logs, attendance sheets, inspection reports, audit reports, calibration reports, training attendance. These all document actions that have already occurred.
So what's the key thing to remember about records?
Crucially, records cannot be edited later. They show past activity and must be stored safely. You can't just rewrite history. If the temperature log says 75 degrees, you can't go back and change it to 72.
Makes sense. It's all about preserving the evidence.
So, the simple difference, right? A document is an instruction, a record is evidence. Got it?
Easy peasy. Imagine a kitchen. The recipe for tea, that's your document. It tells you how to make the tea.
Exactly. And the list of how many cups you made that day? That's the record. It proves you actually made the tea. Think guidance versus proof.
Now, let's upscale it. In a factory, the SOP, Standard Operating Procedure, for pasteurization temperature is a document. Heat the milk to 72 degrees Celsius. It instructs.
But that SOP alone isn't enough. You need proof it was followed. That's where the temperature monitoring log comes in. The record. It shows you actually heated the milk to 72 degrees Celsius.
So without the record, you just have a plan. The record is what brings that plan to life. It's the crucial proof element.
In the real world, that proof can save your bacon during an audit. Make sure you have both direction and result covered. Auditors care deeply about this. When they ask for an SOP, they're assessing the design of your process.
Exactly. They want to know if you've thought things through. Is there a documented system in place?
And when they ask for records, that's when they're checking the implementation. Did you actually do what your SOP said?
It's all about proof. Did that cleaning machine maintain the correct temperature for the correct amount of time as per the SOP?
No document means no system design. You have nothing in place to guide employees.
And no record means no proof it's happening. It's just words on paper.
A common mistake is having beautiful SOPs without maintaining records.
It's like a well-thought-out plan with no execution. The auditor will say, looks good on paper, but where's the evidence it's actually being followed?
Okay, let's solidify this. Documents, they're revised, they're updated, and the old versions? Gone. We remove them. Think of constantly improving a recipe.
Exactly. Records, on the other hand, stick around. They're kept for a defined retention time and used as legal or compliance evidence. No erasing history here.
So how do we remember this easily? Here's a memory trick. Document starts with a D for direction. It tells you where to go or how to do something.
And record starts with R for result. It shows you where you've been, what happened. Direction versus result. Simple as that.
Think of documents as the brain, standardizing work, reducing those costly mistakes, and training new staff. SOPs, work instructions, all of that.
And records? Those are your company's memory. They protect you in legal battles, demonstrate compliance, and even help you analyze performance to improve.
Exactly. Good records are objective, verifiable, and attributable. Think about it. Objective means they're based on facts. Verifiable means someone else can check them and get the same result. And attributable means you know who created them and when.
So no documents? Prepare for confusion. No records? You've got a story without proof. It's like the formula: documents, direction, plus records, results, a strong system.
Ever thought about what happens when you ignore either documents or records? It's like trying to bake a cake without a recipe, or remembering how it tasted without having eaten it.
Exactly. No documents? That's a recipe for confusion. Everyone does things their way, leading to inconsistent results.
Think of it as the Tower of Babel. Lots of activity, but no clear direction, no standardization. You will end up with a lot of rework.
And no records? Well, you have no proof anything was done correctly. You can't prove compliance.
It's like telling a story without any pictures or videos to back it up. Hard to believe, right? You want to tell the grandkids about the fish that got away, but have no photographic evidence.
Documents and records are two sides of the same coin. Documents standardize and train, while records protect and analyze. They are both equally important.
Neglect either, and your management system risks collapsing. You have the ingredients, but no cake, or a cake with no way to tell anyone the recipe. Let's solidify this with a quick scenario. An auditor asks for the SOP for machine maintenance, right?
Right, that's the document. It details the direction, the steps to properly maintain the machine, like lubricating parts and checking for wear.
Exactly. Now, they also ask for the maintenance log, showing when the machine was last serviced.
That's the record. It confirms what was done, providing evidence that the SOP was followed. Think of it like a before and after.
One directs, the other confirms. No SOP, no standardized maintenance process. No maintenance log, no proof it actually happened. It's that simple. So, to recap, documents tell people what to do, like a detailed instruction manual. Think of them as proactive tools.
And records prove they did it, like photos capturing the moment. They're reactive, showing what actually happened.
Exactly. Documents set the direction. Records show the result. It's direction versus result.
Both are essential for a strong management system, like the brain and memory working together. Without documents, it's confusion. Without records, it's just a story.
If you want to dive deeper into this, remember that effective record keeping is also crucial for demonstrating compliance. For example, think about validating a cleaning process. Cleaning performance ratio equals bioburden before minus bioburden after divided by bioburden before times 100.
That's right. And for more easy explanations of ISO standards, audits, and food safety,
subscribe to Search Your Consultancy. Let's make standards simple.